and here we have to change milliliters into liters. So how will you do it? I told you that if you want to change milliliter into liters, you will divide this value with 1000. So 1 milliliter will become 1 over 1000 liters. 1 over 1000 liters, and any value if you are given, you will divide it with 1000, that will be changed it into liters. So 3200 milliliter, you want to change it into liters, you will divide it with 1000, and answer will be 3.2 liters. Okay, so here I'm going to write the answer of part A. 3200 milliliter is equal to 3.2 liters. Okay, and part B is change milliliter into centimeter cube, and we studied that 1 milliliter is actually 1 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, and if there are 10 milliliter, then it will be obviously and yes, Muhammad Farajullah, I will tell you, just wait. I will complete this exercise and I will discuss about it. And 10 milliliter will become 10 centimeter cube. Okay, that is very easy. Only you have to remember that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube, and 10 milliliter will become 10 centimeter cube. And part C, 23 liter, you have to change it into milliliter. And can you tell me, boys, how many milliliters in 1 liter? How does it become cube? Adam Hani is asking 1000 milliliter. Okay, milliliter is the unit of capacity. Milliliter is the unit of capacity. Capacity is also a kind of volume, and it is the volume of a liquid. Volume of a liquid, you measure it in milliliters or liters, and volume is also measured in centimeter cube, meter cube. Okay, so 1 milliliter is actually 1 centimeter cube. If you measure it in centimeters, then it is centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so it is not the this unit, you do not take it in cube because it is just the unit of capacity. But this unit, it is the unit of volume. But when you take the volume of a liquid, then you can change it into milliliters. Okay, yes. Okay, now this one is 10 milliliter, you change it. Yes, 1 liter has 1000 milliliters. So if you want to change, very good, Sayyid Amar, correct answer. If you want to change 23 liter, you will multiply it with 1000. So these are very easy questions. 23 liter. 23 liter will be equal to 23,000 milliliter. Okay, now question number 4. A bottle of medicine contains 250 milliliter. How many liters of medicine are there in 7 of these bottles? Okay, so this is very easy question. A bottle contain medicine. How much it contains? That is 250 milliliter. And we have to calculate 7 bottles contain medicine We will multiply. Very good, Muhammad Farajullah. Very good. 250 multiplied by 7. And that will be, I can use the calculator. 250 multiplied by 7, 1750. Very good, Hamad Al Baladi. 1750. It is in milliliter. We have to change it in liters. Here you can see that they have asked us that how many liters of medicine are there in 7 of these bottles. We have calculated it milliliters. So we will change it into liters. In liters, it will be, so changing milliliters into liters, you have to divide it with 1000. And very good, Ahmad and Mudassir, very good. Yes, very, now you are correct, Ahmad. And who did answer? Okay, so it will be 1.75 milliliters, liters. Yes, Abdullah, very good, correct answer. Now, next question is, a bucket contains 3.4 liters of water. If 2300 milliliter are poured out, how many liters of water are left in the bucket? Very good, Abdullah and Muhammad Farajullah. Very good. So first you have to change it into liters. Bucket contains water. That is 3.4 liters. And how much is poured out? That is 2300 milliliters. So we have to change it into liters because the question is that how many liters of water are left in the bucket. So this value you have to change it into liters. 2300 milliliter will be 23 divided by 1000, and that will be 2.3. Very good, Abdullah. 2.3 liters. And how much water is left? That will be, very good. Yes, Abdullah. We will subtract these two values, 3.4 minus 2.3, and that will be, very good, Hamad Al Baladi and Adam Hani. Very good. 1.1 liters. Very good. Yes, Abdullah. Very good. Correct answer. Very good, Sayyid Amar. Yes, correct answer. Okay, now next question. Copy and complete. Change meter square into centimeter square. And these are some questions. First, you have to change. If you forget that how many centimeter squares are in 1 meter square, then it is a easy method I can make you understand. That we studied in previous unit, that 1 meter has 100 centimeters, as you know it. 100 centimeter, 1 meter has 100 centimeter, but this one is in area, it is in square. So we will have to take the square of these values. So 1 meter square, and we will also take the square of this value. So one square will be 1, and it will become meter square, and 100 square will be 10,000. You will add two more zero with 100. Two zeros are here, two more zeros. Taking the square of 100 or 1000 is very easy. You can use the calculator also, but if you can see that there are two zeros here, you can double it. That will be the square of that value. I'm talking about tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so 100, 10,000, it will become 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter has 100 centimeter, 10,000 centimeter square, but we have to calculate for 5 meter square. So we will multiply it with 5, this value we will multiply it with 5, and it will be 50,000. Okay, so 5 meter square will become 50,000 centimeter square. 5 meter square is equal to 50,000 meters, centimeter square. And next one is now change kilometer into meters. And this one is in square. Again, you will start from kilometer to meter. We know that 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000. Yes, very good. 1000 meters. And we need to square it because this value is in square. And we have to take, we need the meter square also. So we will take the square at both sides. And this value will become now 1 kilometer square. Very good, Hamad Al Balati. 1 kilometer square will become now double these values, means double the zeros. There are 3 zeros, so you will double it, it will become 6 zeros. And by name you will call it 1 million, 1 million meter square. Yes, this one is very large amount, large number. And we need to find 2.3 kilometer square. 2.3 kilometer square you have to multiply with. Now this 2.3 multiply with 1 million. So it will become 2,300,000. 2,300,000. So 2.3 kilometer square is equal to 2,300,000 meters square. Now next one is 0.7 meter cube into centimeter cube. You have to change. But first we will start from beginning. 1 meter has how many centimeter? 1 meter has how many centimeter? Can you answer, boys? How many centimeters in? Very good, Abdul Aziz, Ashraf, very good. So 1 meter has 100 centimeter. Very good, Abdullah and Hamad. But we need the cube of it. So again we will take the cube, and also we will take the cube of it. And this will become 1 meter cube. And this one will become now 100 cube. 100 cube will be, now you will add 100 with 100 you will write 3 times, and 0 0 and 2 zeros you will write 3 times. Yes, Abdullah, very good. So it will also become 1 million centimeter cube. This will also become 1 million centimeter cube. And we need 0.7 meter cube. Yes, something so big and yet so small. 0.7 meter cube, that will become now You will add this, actually this one is 0.7. So when you will multiply it with the 100 million, 10 will be cancelled from this decimal point, and with 7 you will write 5 zeros. To cover up this decimal point, this value will be 700,000. Okay, you can use the calculator also for this value. What happened, Abdullah? So in C part, 0.7 meter cube is equal to 700,000 centimeter cube. Very good, Amin Ashraf. And what you are asking, Abdullah, the number we need to do first, do the exponent to have two answers. I don't understand you, what you are talking. Each are different. Yes, this one is different unit. Unit are different and your answer will also be different, but they are actually the same values. The same values, because you are changing meters into centimeter, its value will be increased, but it is in centimeter cube. Okay, now next part is part D. But the other, since the other one is bigger, since 343 is gonna be too big, but it is the same since you multiply the exponent, so there is no use. Yes, there is no use. They are actually the both same values. 0.7 meter cube is same as 700,000 centimeter cube. Only you have changed your conversions. Your units are changed. Your units are changed, and that's why your values are also changed. Okay. We should find the cube of the number given. For example, 1 meter cube is equal to. Okay, yes, we will change the cube. We will take the cube of the converted values. Now part D is that 9.25 kilometer cube, you have to change it into meter cube. 9.25 kilometer cube, you have to change it into meter cube. So 1 kilometer, as you know, is 1000 meters, and you have to change it into cube. So you will take the cube both sides. Cube, you will take the cube both sides, and it will become 1 kilometer cube. It will become, now take the cube of 1000, you will write 1000 three times. This zero you will write three times, and this is a very bigger value. I think it will become billion. Yes, it will become 1 billion meter cube. And an easy way to write this so much value, that you can write it in exponent form. That is called exponent form. 10 raised to power, how many zeros are with 10? You can write it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 10 raised to power 9 meter cube you can also write. This value, this so much bigger value, you can raise 10 raised to power 9. It also means that this value, when you will open it, it has 1 billion value. You will attach 90 with 1, and it will become this value. Okay, but here you have to change this 9.25 kilometer cube. So 9.25 kilometer cube will become now, you will multiply this value with 9.25. So it will easily become, now you can write it in x, this is called exponent form. 9.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9 meter cube. This answer is also correct, but yes, very good. Adam Hani, yes, that is also correct. Okay, so I will write it in zeros form. 9.25 kilometer cube will be equal to, I will multiply 9.25 with 1 billion. So it will become 925 and then 000 and 000. That will be the answer. Am I correct? One more zero I have to add. So yes, it will be 9 billion and 2 million and 250 million. Too much way, bigger values. Okay, so that is, you can use the calculator also. And now next part is 420,000 centimeters square. 420. Yes, very good, Abdurrahman Khaled. Very good. 420,000 centimeters square. First, you have to change centimeter into meter square. And we know that 1 meter has 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter is 1 meter, and I want 1 centimeter. So I will divide both values with 100 and it will become 1 over 100 meter. But I have to take the square. I have to take the square of both values. And this will become now 1 centimeter square. And this is now 1 over 100 square. So 1 over 100 will be 10,000 square centimeter square. Any value now you want to change it into meter square, you will divide it with 10,000. It can be changed into meter square. Okay. So that is the conversion unit of centimeter square to meter square. So only you need to keep it in mind that how many centimeters are in 1 meter, you can convert your values. Okay, so we have to change 420,000 centimeters square. 420,000 centimeters square. So that you will divide it with 10,000. And this is very easy, dividing it with 10,000. And here I am going to divide it. So divide it with 10,000. So there are 4 zeros and there are also 4 zeros. They will be cancelled with each other and answer will be 42. Okay. 42 meter square. That answer will be 42 meter square. and F part is 7 million millimeter square. You have to change it into meter square. So again, you will change your units. First, you know that 1 meter has 1000 millimeters, and I need to change millimeter into meters. So 1 millimeter, I will divide it 1 over 1000, 1000 meter. But here this one is square, so I will take the square both sides, and this square I will take here also. So 1 millimeter square will become 1 over 1000 square. 1000 is 1000 square. I will attach 3 more zeros with 1000, and it will become meter square. Now I can change my values. So if I want to change 7 millimeter squares, 7 millimeter square, that will become 7 over 1 million. Okay. So I can now 700,000 millimeters here. So this value is also 7 million, and divided by 1 million. So all the zeros will be cancelled. Millimeter square, you can change it into by dividing it 1 million, it will become 7 meter square. All the values will be cancelled. You will divide 7 million with 1 million, and 7 million divided by 1 million. The answer will be 7 meter square, because it has also 6 zeros and 7 has also 6 zeros. I will cancel all these 6 zeros and only 7 will be left. So answer will be meter squares. Okay.